Good day, I'm your teacher for today's class. So, I'm Maria Bel Bautista, but you can call me Teacher Bell. So, before we start our class, let us pray first. Okay, please find a place when you are comfortable. When I call your name, please open your cam, and if will not ask you, please turn off your mic and listen carefully to our discussion. Are we clear? Please turn on all your cameras and I will take a picture to serve as your attendance. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, so I have here prepared an icebreaker for you. So please open your cam and copy their steps for you to energize your body.
This is Sid the Sloth from the movie Ice Age, and we're about to do this new dance, the Continental Drift. It's time to get up on your feet. It's easy to do. Just follow me. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like grand. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like grand. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like grand. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like grand.
Okay, who can recall about our last topic? Okay, Miss. Interpret a layout plan, ma'am. Okay, very good. So, please turn off all your cameras so you can save your data. So, I have here an activity called Arrange Me. So, number 1, Miss Arado. Number 2, Miss Garrido. Number 3, Miss Brildo. Number 4, Miss Lugas. And number 5, Miss Nodalo. 1, ma'am, is packaging. 2, ma'am, is preservation. 3, ma'am, is labeling. 4, ma'am, is safety. Consume, ma'am, 5. Okay, so let's check if you are all correct. So you are all very good. So do you have any idea for our topic for today? Topic for today is performing outer packaging procedures. There are two types of how to perform a packaging procedures. The first one is the design of packaging materials for fish products, and the second one is labeling packaged fish product according to quality control standards. So how to perform outer packaging procedures? So, designing packaging materials for fish products requires careful consideration of several factors, including product protection, freshness, preservation, hygiene, sustainability, and consumer convenience. So, here are some key aspects to consider when designing packaging materials for fish products. First is material selection. Use materials that are safe, non-toxic, and compliant with food safety regulations. Optional for materials with excellent barrier properties to prevent oxygen, moisture, and odor transmission. So, this helps maintain the freshness and quality of the fish. Common packaging materials for fish products include vacuum-sealed plastic pouches, trays with leading films, and coated papers or boards. One is protective packaging. Fish is highly perishable and sensitive to temperature, so the packaging should provide insulation and protect against physical damage during transportation. Consider using insulated packaging such as expanded polystyrene or EPS, foam boxes or coolers to maintain the desired temperature and extend the shelf life. The third one is freshness preservation. Incorporate features that minimize exposure to oxygen, which can cause oxidation and spoilage. Oxygen absorbers or modified atmosphere packaging or MAP can help maintain product freshness. Ensure that packaging materials have low permeability to moisture and to prevent dehydration or excessive moisture absorption, which can affect the fish quality. The next is hygiene and safety. Ensure packaging materials are easy to clean and sanitize to maintain food safety standards. Consider incorporating tamper-evident features such as seals or labels to ensure consumers of product integrity. The next one is sustainable packaging. Use eco-friendly materials and consider the entire life cycle of the packaging, including sourcing, manufacturing usage, and disposal. Explore options like biodegradable or compostable packaging materials made from renewable resources. Encourage recycling by using packaging materials that are easily recyclable. Next one is consumer convenience. Design packaging that is easy to open, resealable, and portion controlled to enhance consumer convenience. Include clear and informative labeling, including product name, weight, nutritional information, and storage instructions. Remember, the specific design of packaging materials for fish products may vary depending on the type of fish, processing methods, and market requirements. Consulting with packaging experts and conducting appropriate testing can help ensure optimal packaging design for fish products. So, the next perform outer packaging procedures is labeling packaged fish products according to quality control standards. So, it is crucial to provide consumers with important information about the product and ensure compliance with regulations. So, here are some key considerations when labeling fish products. First one is product information. Clearly state the product name such as the species of fish of or specific product description. Example of this is fillet, steaks, whole fish. Include any additional information relevant to products such as whether it is wild caught or farm raised. One is net weight. Specify the net weight or quantity of the fish product, typically in both metric, grams, kilograms, and imperial pounds, ounces, units. Ensure accurate measurement and comply with local regulations regarding weight labeling. The third one is ingredients and allergens. List of all ingredients used in the product, including any additives, preservatives, or flavorings. So, clearly identify common allergens such as fish, shellfish, or other ingredients known to cause allergies. Is country of origin. Clearly indicate the country or countries where the fish product was harvested or processed. Comply with labeling regulations regarding country of origin labeling as requirements may vary by jurisdiction. Is date of production and expiry. Include the date of production or processing that indicate product freshness and enable traceability. Provide an expiration date or best before date to inform consumers about the product's shelf life and quality. Next one is storage and handling instruction. Clearly state the recommended storage temperature, such as keep refrigerated at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius or store in a freezer at 18 degrees Celsius or below. Provide instructions for proper handling, such as wash hands after handling or do not freeze it if thawed. Information include a nutrition facts panels that provides information on key nutrients such as calories, fat, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Comply with regulations regarding nutrition labeling, including serving sizes and format requirements. Next one is certification and quality marks. Display relevant certifications or quality marks that demonstrate compliance with industry standards or specific quality assurance program. So, example may include organic certifications, sustainable fishing certifications, or third-party quality control certifications. The next one is barcodes and batch codes. Incorporate barcodes or QR codes for easy product identification and tracking in the supply chain. Codes or lot numbers to facilitate traceability in case of product recalls or quality issues. Language and legibility. Ensure that all labeling information is presented in a clear, readable font size and format. Comply with language requirements based on the target market and any applicable regulations. It is information to consult the specific quality control standards and labeling regulations in your region or target market, as they may vary. Adhering to these guidelines help ensure transparency, consumer confidence, and compliance with relevant quality control standards for fish products. I have here a sample of various fish products and their packaging. This is fresh salmon fillet. A fresh salmon fillet typically comes in clear, vacuum-sealed package. This type of packaging helps to keep the fish fresh by removing excess air, which can cause spoilage. The label on the package will typically include information such as the product name, weight, date of packaging, and sell-by date. Proper packaging and labeling help to ensure that the fish is fresh and safe consumed. One is frozen fish sticks. Frozen fish sticks are typically packaged in a cardboard box with a plastic bag inside. The bag is designed to keep the fish stick frozen and to prevent freezer-borne. The label on the package will typically include information such as the product name, weight, cooking instructions, and ingredients list. Proper packaging and help to ensure that the fish sticks are safe and of high quality. Canned tuna. Canned tuna is typically packaged in a metal can with a proper label. The can is designed to protect the tuna from contamination and to preserve its freshness. The label on the can will typically include information such as the product name, weight, ingredients list, and expiration date. Proper packaging and labeling help to ensure that the canned tuna is safe and of high quality. Salmon. Smoked salmon is typically packaged in a plastic or vacuum-sealed package with paper label. So, the package is designed to keep the smoked salmon fresh and to prevent spoilage. So, the label on the package will typically include information such as the product name, weight, date of packaging, and sell-by date. So, proper packaging and labeling help to ensure that the smoked salmon is safe and high quality. Important to know these performing outer packaging procedures. Anyone? Okay. Performing outer packaging procedures for fish product is important to several reasons. It ensures that the products are adequately protected during storage, transportations, and handling, preventing physical damage, contamination, and spoilage. Compliance with regulations regarding hygiene, labeling, and traceability ensures consumer safety and legal compliance. Proper packaging procedures can extend the shelf life of fish products, maintaining their freshness and quality. Well executed outer packaging contributes to a positive brand image and consumer perception. So, following these procedures enables efficient supply chain management. So, including handling, storage, and transportation, it facilitates traceability for effective product recalls if necessary. Additionally, considering sustainability aspects in packaging materials help reduce environmental impact. Here prepared an activity. So if you will listen to our discussion, you will answer the following questions. Okay. What type of packaging is typically used for fresh salmon fillet?
Fresh salmon fillet are typically packed in a clear vacuum-sealed package made of plastic, ma'am.
So, why is the plastic bag inside the cardboard box is important?
It is important for keeping the fish stick frozen and to prevent freezer-borne, ma'am.
The next question is, why is the metal can important for preserving the tuna?
Then, for preserving the tuna, ma'am, because it provides an airtight and durable container that protects the tuna from bacteria and other contaminants.
Very good. So, last question. Why is proper packaging and labeling important for ensuring the safety and quality of smoked salmon?
And labeling is important for ensuring the safety and quality of smoked salmon because it helps to prevent contamination and spoilage and provides important information to consumers, ma'am.
So, proper packaging design and labeling are essential for ensuring the safety, quality, and integrity of products. So, key points include selecting safe, non-toxic materials, product protection, freshness preservation, hygiene and safety, sustainable packaging, consumer convenience, labeling standards, compliance, and compliance with quality control standards and regulations. I will divide you into 3 groups to design your own packaging for a sample fish product using the materials provided, and then you will submit it in our Google Classroom. Are we clear? Any questions or clarifications? Okay, so I will give you an assignment to pass through in our Google Classroom.
For your assignment, research additional information on fish product packaging and labeling standards and prepare a short presentation on your findings.